Are you looking to change the URLs on your WordPress site without breaking anything? Today, I'll show you a simple way to replace URLs safely and quickly. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside, head over to Settings and click on General. Here, you'll see two fields: WordPress address URL and site address URL. These are the core URLs that WordPress uses for your site. To update them, simply enter your new URL into both fields. Make sure the URLs are correct, including https:// if your site uses SSL. After you've entered the new addresses, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it. Your WordPress site will now use the new URLs. Keep in mind, if you're moving your site to a new domain, you may also need to update links in your posts, images, or menus. Using a plugin for a full search and replace can help with that, but for most URL changes, this method works perfectly. Changing URLs in WordPress doesn't have to be complicated, and now you know exactly how to do it in just a few steps. If you found this guide helpful, try it out on your site and see the difference.